Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out Modelones' new Neon Space Gel Polish set. So here's what the box looks like. It is so gorgeous. I love the little neon lines on the sleeve and that matte black box with the glossy design. So perfect. So on the back, you have some of the instructions, and when you open it up, you just get your 6 gel polishes. You also get your instruction manual, which comes in a lot of languages, so I love that. And here's what the bottle's looking like. It's just a matte white bottle. I love the rectangular shape of it. It looks super sleek. You get the peekaboo color on the front. You get 10 milliliters of product, which is quite a bit, and some carrying instructions on the back. So now I'm just going to show you all the colors swatched. They are so vibrant and creamy and super pigmented, which is what I always look for, so I can't wait to use them later. For the nails, I'm going to be doing the Apres dupe method with Polygel. So to prep, you would push back your cuticles and scrape up anything on the nail plate, and then use a hand file or an e-file to rough up the surface, dehydrate, prime, and base coat the nails. So I'm using this Modelones Clear, and I'm using these Kiara Sky jelly tips. They are soft gel full cover tips, so they're not just made of plastic. And we have to rough these up just like you rough up your natural nails. So putting a sanding band over a cuticle pusher is a great dupe for having an e-file, because you do need to do this step, and it's extremely hard to do with the hand file. So after we do that, we're going to place a very small amount of polygel into the tip. And then we're going to start from the cuticle of the nail and press it on until the polygel reaches the tip of the nail. Now, I love using polygel instead of builder gel in a bottle, which is the traditional way to do the Apres method. But I like polygel because it kind of suction cups onto the nail, so you can easily fix it up with a brush and cure it without having to hold it onto your natural nail. If you are someone who is a beginner to DIY nails, doing your nails at home, I definitely recommend using this method. The soft gel full cover tips already come pre-sized, they come pre-shaped, and they already have a nice structure to them so that they're super strong. So it takes away a lot of the hard work that you do when you do your own nails. Not to mention, after you prep the nails, the application process is so quick. I believe these took me about 10 minutes to do one hand, and that also includes having to cure each nail for 1 minute, so it's incredibly fast. For this method, you would really just need some soft gel food cover tips. They can't be plastic. They can be any shape, any size, and from anywhere, but they do have to be soft gel. Then you could get the most basic polygel kit. You could get something that just comes with the polygel, a brush, base and top coat, a file, super simple. And then you would just need a lamp. You cannot do this without it, but the great thing is if you only plan on working with clear polygel and doing gel polish designs on top, you can easily just get a miniature lamp, because it doesn't have to be extremely strong, or you can get a full size, whatever your preference is. But you would really just need the most basic items, which is awesome for those who are on a budget or want to save money, or you just don't want to get too deep into it. You just want to be able to do your own nails. And this little cuticle pusher and sanding band dupe for e-file is actually from Kiara Sky's Instagram. That is where I saw this hack, and it is so genius. It makes it really easy and accessible for everyone, because having an e-file is not the norm. So this makes it so that everyone is able to do these nails. So after you finish them up, you're gonna cut them down to the length that you want. I wanted mine just a tiny bit shorter than how they already came, and because they're already pre-shaped, filing does not take very long. All I did was just clean up the edges so that they're nice and straight. And I'm going to take the edge of my file and I'm going to go around the cuticle area, making sure that I break up any product that's touching my skin, because that would cause lifting. So we're just going to smooth that area out so it looks like an actual nail and not like a press on. Then you're just going to buff the surface of the nail, because we're going to be doing gel polish on top of this. If you're doing nail polish, you don't really have to worry about buffing up the nail like this, but for gel polish, you absolutely need to buff up that surface. So I did the rest of the shaping super quick and a little bit off camera, and we're gonna go ahead and get right into the gel polish design. I'm just cleaning off that dust with some alcohol and a plastic little dust brush. And here's what they're looking like. We literally have a full manicure. All we have to do is paint it and design it. So I needed a nude base, and this set didn't come with one, so I'm using this from Gershon. Once I cured that in the lamp, we're gonna go ahead and get into the design. So I'm doing a rainbow V-shaped French tip. So I'm just getting a little bit of product from all of the colors and putting it on this little palette. So each nail is going to have two colors. So I'm starting off with orange on the left, and then once I get that perfect, I clean off the brush, and now we're using pink on the right. So I'm just going to make these lines as straight as I can and connect them at the top. And this next nail is going to have pink on the left and then purple on the right. So for these 4 fingers, I'm going to have the color on the right of the nail also match the color on the left of the next nail, if that makes sense. So these gel polishes were really easy to paint with earlier on those swatch sticks, but they were also great for doing designs like this. All of these nails, I only had to do 1 pass of the gel polish on all of them, which makes it so great for nail art and hand drawing because you don't have to constantly cure and add another coat to get that really opaque color. So I really appreciated that about these. And of course, they were super vibrant and pigmented. After I'm all done, I'm just using this Mia Secret glass finish top coat to make all the nails nice and shiny. And here's what they're looking like. We're gonna go ahead and get some cuticle oil. This is QCO Revitalizing Oil from Amazon. It's my favorite. They look so gorgeous. I love the way that the color transitions from orange to pink, purple, blue, green, yellow. I love that I was able to use all the colors. They were so easy to use and they are so vibrant. So I absolutely would recommend these to you guys if you're in the market for some really nice, vibrant neon gel polishes. They will of course be linked in my description box. That is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.